Thank you for tuning in to the Brock Eichler Talks podcast, where we explore and discuss today's trending legal topics. In this episode, we'll discuss a recent article from Brock Eichler's February 2025 Healthcare Law Update newsletter titled, Operators of New Jersey Nursing Home Accused of Medicaid Fraud. On December 12, 2024, the New Jersey Office of the State Comptroller, OSC, issued a report detailing the OSC's 5-year investigation of for-profit nursing home South Jersey Extended Care, SJEC. The investigators uncovered an alleged scheme where the operators and owner of SJEC siphoned Medicaid funds from SJEC into their personal businesses, leaving SJEC without adequate staffing and resources. Michael Koning, an individual barred from operating nursing homes in Connecticut and Massachusetts, and his brother-in-law, Stephen Krausman, ran the home. The official owner of SJEC, Mark Weisz, was simply a straw owner of SJEC and surrendered control to Koning and Krausman. During the investigation period, OSC discovered that SJEC received $35.6 million in Medicaid funds, but paid $38.9 million to businesses owned and controlled by Koning and Krausman. To prevent fraud, federal and state laws require nursing homes to disclose transactions with vendors that have common ownership or control with the nursing home and place a cap on costs paid to such related parties. However, with Weisz as the straw owner, Koning and Krausman evaded exposure of their scheme by acting as independent parties. Koning, Krausman, Weisz, SJEC, and their related entities and parties have been suspended from New Jersey Medicaid. In light of the investigation, the OSC also made recommendations to other regulatory agencies in its report to prevent and detect fraud, waste, and abuse within the Medicaid program. Recommendations include 1. The Department of Health, DOH, adopting regulations to minimize the risk associated with complex corporate structures used by for-profit nursing homes. 2. Prohibiting nursing home owners-operators from withdrawing equity from nursing homes without approval of DOH and the Department of Human Services, DHS. And 3. DOH and DHS approving all leases, transfers of ownership, and mortgages involving nursing home properties. For more information, contact Riza I, Dagli, Member and Chair, Criminal Defense and Government Investigations at 973-403-3103 or rdagli at brockeichler.com or Edward J. Eyun, Member Healthcare at 973-364-5229 or eyun at brockeichler.com or Cynthia J. Liba, Counsel Healthcare at 973-403-3106 or Liba at brockeichler.com. This is intended to provide general information, not legal advice. Please contact the authors if you need specific legal advice. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future content. Visit brockeichler.com/insights to read the full Healthcare Law Update newsletter. Brock Eichler, LLC is a full-service law firm based in Roseland, New Jersey, with over 80 attorneys. The firm is focused on the following practice areas: healthcare law, real estate, litigation, trusts and estates, business transactions and financial services, personal injury, criminal defense and government investigations, labor and employment, environmental and land use, family law services, patent, intellectual property, and information technology, real estate tax appeals, tax, and cannabis law.